Alright, now we're driving east down Eastern Parkway. So far, not too bad. Just some miscellaneous limbs down, nothing too terribly big.
4-lane road's down to a 2-lane road, though.
Yeah, 4-lane down to a 2-lane. There's some larger limbs. No real damage, though.
Look at all that ice in the
Thank
trees,
God.
so.
Yeah, that's the thing, with all the ice still in the trees and not going anywhere for the next few
Stoplights are
days.
out.
God only knows what kind of damage is ahead.
Oh, wow. Put it back out to the right. Look at these limbs coming up.
Okay.
Catch 'em.
Alright.
Look at those down.
Wow.
Most of that tree's gone.
Wow. Look at over by Our Mother Sorrows.
That's so pretty.
I know. That's dangerously beautiful. Best way to describe that.
Look at the light pole snap.
Yeah. The former St. Joe's Infirmary. Now U of L quasi-campus apartment complex. And there's the Castle of Light.
And it looks like they're closed. I can't believe it.
Yeah, White Castle only closes one day a year. Well, I guess that's 2 days this year, because they are closed.
They are closed.
Well, ain't that a pisser?